There. Do you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to make sense of your data, but it's scattered all over the place? Some of it might be in an Excel file, while some of it might be in a Google Sheet or a CSV file. Well, if you're in this pickle, you're not alone. Easy AI Bridge comes with a unique feature that allows you to combine data from multiple sources before you run your analysis. Today, I'm going to be walking you through this feature to show you how effortless it is to combine data sources and then run a data analysis prompt. Follow along. So, let's walk you through how it works. Over here, I'm in the Select section and I've connected my Google Sheets to Easy AI Bridge. As you can see, I've selected a Google Sheet about shopping behavior, and at the same time, I've also uploaded a social media engagement dataset, which was an Excel file. Now, we head over to Smart Ask, and as you can see, it shows us that we've selected two data sources. One is the Google Sheet, and the other is the Excel file. Now, to speed things along for this video, I'm simply going to paste some of the questions that I've copied, and I'm going to hit the Ask button. Since we've given it two Excel sheets and a fair bit of data to work with, it might take a few moments, but in most cases, you have some beautiful dashboards ready for you in between 30 to 50 seconds. And there we go. The analysis is ready. As you can see, it generates both reports and dashboards and even allows you to combine dashboards for better accuracy. It combined the data from both of the sources that we were working with and has now given us insights that would have taken us hours or maybe days to figure out otherwise. Another neat feature is that it also suggests you other questions that you can check out to explore your data further. Once everything looks good, all you have to do is hit the export button, and there you have it. Your dashboard is ready, your analysis is done, and now you're in a position to make better and more well-informed decisions about your business. Thank you for joining us on this product walkthrough. We hope that after watching this, you feel more confident in combining multiple data sources to run your analysis on Easy AI Bridge. As always, take care and talk soon.